We've been looking to trade with China for many years, but with the free trade port, I think that's a very exciting opportunity for us. Competitive price of everything, and the market is huge, so there's so many added value and so many benefits from trading with China.
For us, being in a free trade port is important because it gives us the opportunity to meet with Chinese consumers, to meet with a new area of trade, because it's very new for us. To be open to the world, the more you are open to the world, the better it is for the business.